Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Gemini AI with Google Apps Workspace. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to google.com. This is where you'll access the tools needed to connect Gemini AI. In the search bar, type Google Gemini and select the official website from the results. This will take you to the Gemini dashboard, where you manage integrations. Once you're on the Gemini site, look at the lower left corner and click on Settings and Help. Inside this section, find and select Connected Apps. This area shows all the Google services you can link. Scroll through the list and choose apps like Google Workspace, YouTube, or Maps. To connect an app, toggle the switch next to it, then click the Connect button. Follow the on-screen prompts to grant permissions. Repeat this process for any additional apps you want to link. This allows Gemini AI to work seamlessly across your Google services and improves your overall productivity. So that's basically how you can connect Gemini AI with Google Apps Workspace. That's it for this video. Thanks.